Hello, how are you? My name is Chuck Flair. You were referred to me either by your real estate agent or you may have requested some information online through Zillow, Trulia, or some other form of social media. So, the purpose for this video is just basically to kind of let you know what the next step is. So, first what we need to do is just schedule a quick 10 to 15 minute phone call where we can basically just go over what your goals are with your real estate transaction. Some of the things we're going to be going over will be your income, your credit, your assets that you have that you plan on putting down, or in the case of a VA loan, basically any just reserves that you have. But most importantly, we're going to be going over what your maximum comfortable payment is. So it's going to be very important that we basically zero in on that, because I really want you to make sure that you're going to be completely comfortable with your monthly payment each month. So now you might be asking, Chuck, who are you? Where do you work? What's the difference with working with you versus just going to my bank? Well, very valid question. First off, I've been originating and funding VA loans, FHA loans, and conventional loans in San Diego for the last 15 years. I'm licensed as both the National Mortgage Licensing System and the Department of Real Estate. So, what's the difference? Well, several things. First off, we are a direct lender. We're not a small broker, and we're not a retail bank, so the difference is that number one, we have access to many different programs, plus we have our own underwriters. That can be a much more advantageous thing over brokers. And in terms of over banks, well, we're going to have much better pricing, generally speaking, because we're not paying for that sign to be on all night long. I mean, we all know that most of these banks that are out there, they don't make money off your free checking account. I mean, obviously, right? So they make them over higher retail interest rates. So typically we're going to price out much better on most loan programs. Not only that, second thing is we're going to be able to actually close your transaction faster. Now, is that important in this market? Well, think about it, it kind of really is. If you check with your retail bank or even most brokers, they're going to tell you that their closing escrow time could be upwards of 35 to 45 days. We can typically close your transaction, regardless if it's VA, FHA, or conventional, in 25 days or less. That makes a big difference when you're writing offers against other people where their offer might say they need to close in 30 to 45 days, and we can close in 25. That will make another big difference. Plus, basically during the pre-approval stage, we're constantly pre-underwriting the entire file to ensure that your loan does go smooth the entire way. And another thing you want to look at is that I'm being referred to you from your agent in many cases, so there's a reason for that. Because they've worked with me before, they know what I can do, they know what to expect, and I'm an actual person. You can walk right in our bank, which is located right in Mission Valley. We'll be happy to sit down with you. So that's basically it. So I look forward to hearing from you. So I'm going to send you this video over to you right now. Hopefully it reaches you fine. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and call the number on the screen. I look forward to helping you. Talk to you soon. Have a good one.